Yo, what's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to print money. And when I say print money, I really mean print money selling digital products online. Look, I don't care if you ain't make your first dollar yet online. Watch this whole video. I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna break down the whole process step by step. So for the first thing that you need to do is you need to find a trending niche. So I'm gonna draw a little box right here. We're gonna put TN for trending niche. Now this is extremely important because you can't just pick a random niche that nobody is paying attention to, nobody is interested in, and think you want to print money. It simply don't work like that, dog. Like, you gotta find a niche that people are paying attention to. And let me give you a real example, because a couple years ago the AI niche was popping off, right? Everybody and their mama was talking about AI, and everybody wanted to make money with AI, right? So I was like, this is the perfect opportunity. So what I did was I started an Instagram theme page in that niche, right? And just like 4 months later, we made 110K. Well, nah, we made 110K selling the page, but we made like 125K selling digital products on the page, right? So just imagine that. You start an Instagram theme page for free, it blows up because everybody is interested in that niche, and you're able to make 125K in just 4 months from selling digital products. You feel me? That's exactly what I did. And then at the end of that, we ended up selling the page for 110K. And this is all just within 4 to 6 months of starting that page. And we didn't spend any money on ads or anything. This was all profit. And check me out, in my 21-day digital cash flow challenge, where I break down exactly how to grow, scale, and monetize your Instagram theme pages, I did a full case study on this AI page. So if you want to check that out, the link is in the description below. Not only am I breaking down how to grow pages, how to monetize them, and everything like that, I show pages that I've grown myself, I've sold myself, so you get some real examples in there. So like I said, if you want to check that out, the link is in the description below. But now that you found your trending niche, we're going to move on to step number 2, which is identifying a problem in the market that nobody else is solving. And I'm gonna just put IP, right? So identify problem. So IP, identify problem. Look, in that niche, right, since it's trending, it's going to be some competition. You're going to have other platforms getting started and everything like that. But for you, you want to identify a problem that nobody else is solving. So let's take it back to the AI trend, right? Everybody was teaching ways to make money with AI, but you want to solve a specific problem in that niche, right? So you could have did some prompts. Like, your offer could have been prompts. Somebody else could have been selling ways to build AI models. You feel me? So you want to attack the niche in a specific way. You don't want to just be selling what everybody else is selling. You don't want to just a generic offer. You want to identify a specific problem in that niche that nobody else is solving. You feel me? So that's exactly what you got to do. In order to make some money, in order to print money selling digital products, you got to identify a problem that nobody else is solving. Now, I know you're probably thinking like, yo, how do I actually do that? How do I find a problem that nobody else is solving? You just got to look at your competition, right? So let's say you started an Instagram theme page. Look at your competition. Look at the products they're selling. Look at the content they're posting, and just see what they're not doing. And once you do that, it's time to move on to step number 3. And I'm gonna just put C for create. So now it's time to actually create your digital product. You done found your niche that you're gonna be in. You created your Instagram theme page or YouTube automation channel, and you got some motion to it. Then you identify the problem that nobody else in that niche is solving. Now it's time to create your product. So it's going to be easy now that you know what you're focusing on, now that you know what product that you're going to solve, it's going to be easy to create the product. So for this, you could just go on platforms like Upwork.com. I'm going to just put UP for Upwork.com. Or you can go on websites like Fiverr and shit like that. But me personally, I just stick to Upwork because I found they got the best freelancers on that platform. Like, Fiverr is cool, but they ain't got the best work on that platform. So I like Upwork instead. And yeah, just go on Upwork.com. You can find somebody to create an ebook for you, or you could do it yourself. But me personally, I just like to pay somebody to do it to save me some time. And the ebook only going to cost you maybe $250, $300, depending on how much information that you want in it, how long you want the ebook to be. You could find something cheaper, but for me, I usually spend around like $250, $300 to get an ebook made. And then from there, all you got to do is market. You feel me? Now is the easy part, because the niche is the biggest thing to this. The biggest key is the niche, right? So if you got a trending niche, everything else is going to fall into place, because the page is going to grow fast. It's not going to be too hard to find a problem to solve. It's not going to be hard to create a product. And then marketing. It's going to sell itself, because the niche is hot. You already identified what they want. So now all you got to do is keep it in their face. So for marketing, I recommend posting at least 2 to 3 times a day and just keeping it in their face. Like, you got to tell people, adding a call to action at the end. Click the link in my bio. Or you could tell them to comment a certain word, and then you'll send them a DM. Like, there's so many different ways on your stories as well. Show it behind the scenes. Show you making a product. Show what your product does and how it solves their problem. This is where the market research comes into play, and you know their pain points. You got to touch on their pain points and everything like that. But just having that niche is going to do a lot of the work for you, because anybody that was selling AI products a year or two ago was making money. It doesn't matter what you were selling. You pretty much was printing money because of the niche. Anybody that was selling crypto products a couple years ago was printing money, because everybody wanted to learn how to do it, how to invest in crypto, how to trade crypto. It really comes down to the niche, but if you don't have good marketing behind it, you're not going to make as much money. So like I said, when it comes to the marketing, post 2 to 3 times a day, 2 to 3. And each post, add a call to action at the end, telling them to click the link in your bio or drop a certain word, and you'll send them a DM, something like that. Do some stories. So I'm going to draw another box. We're going to do stories. Post some stories as well, telling them to click the link below to check out the product and everything like that. You want to touch on their pain points. That's another one. So I'm going to put P for pain points. Touch on their pain points and your marketing and everything like that. Next, you want to add some urgency. Urgency is important. So if people don't feel like they have to buy it right now, they might not buy it. So what you could do is you could add a promo code that expires at a certain time, or you could just offer a discount for like a week only, for 24 hours only, things like that. Add some urgency as well, and then add some bonuses. I'm gonna add another box, some bonuses. This gonna help as well. So let's say you're selling an AI ebook that teaches people how to build a drop shipping store with AI. Another product that you can sell as a bonus is an AI model or something like that, or AI prompts ebook, something like that. So just add on a bonus that's related to the product that you're already selling. And another thing that you could do is you could add some upsells. So I'm gonna put UP for upsells. That's another thing that you could add on to your marketing. So let's say they buy the first product, you can have an upsell for a more advanced version of it. You feel me? These are just some things that you can do when it comes to your marketing. Posting 2 to 3 times a day, stories. You want to touch on their pain points. You want to add some urgency. You want to add some bonuses. You want to add some upsells. This is how you go and print money selling digital products online. I broke it down for you step by step. Find a trending niche. Look at what people are paying attention to right now, because where attention goes, money flows. And then next, you want to identify a problem that nobody else in that niche is solving. You feel me? Next, you want to create the digital product. You can do this yourself for free. You don't got to spend no money. Or you can go on websites like Upwork.com or Fiverr and get somebody to create the digital product for you. And then next, marketing. You want to do all of these things to make as much money possible. You feel me? Like I said, I got a digital cash flow challenge that teaches you exactly how to build, scale, and monetize your Instagram theme pages. If you want to check that out, click the link in my description below. I break down some case studies on some pages that I've grown and sold myself, It's not just me giving game, I'm giving you real examples at the same time. Or if you like, man, fuck the challenge, I want to talk to you one-on-one and get some mentorship, click the link in my description below to book a one-on-one call with me, and I'll get you right. But I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, drop a like on it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new for the culture. I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.